name is Souvik, poet and the member of Kuchpoetic Community. Today I reciting a new sonnet, a new love sonnet called Love and Pain, written by Kunwar Viyogi. So let's start.
Love and pain. My love was my undoing, still I love, and count my injuries, new and old. My witness is the greatest God above, but still my golden story must be told. For those who fear disaster, disapprove and live in fear of pains, bit by bit, to them I want to tell, and this way prove that they would from my loving benefit by telling them. My loving merely means expectance of the beauty predestined for passion, hated kisses, saucy sense of thrashing, writhing bodies closely twined.
So what are few consequential pains? The trophies of loving blazed gains.